In the digital frontier, where innovation thrives and possibilities are limitless, a shadow looms: cyber threats. These threats are not just stumbling blocks, but potential pitfalls that can derail progress. At Going Digital, we understand that navigating this landscape requires more than just cutting-edge technology. It demands a comprehensive understanding and proactive stance on cybersecurity. Is the only way to not only protect our innovations, but also to ensure they continue to drive us forward, unimpeded by vulnerabilities. Cybersecurity literacy, the first line of defense. Cybersecurity literacy is not merely about understanding what threats exist. It's about knowing how they operate, how they can affect us, and how we can defend against them. In the age of digital innovation, this knowledge becomes as crucial as the technology itself. Here's why. Empowering teams. Educating your team on cybersecurity best practices turns your workforce into a vigilant defense network. Awareness programs on phishing, malware, and secure online behaviors are essential in fostering a culture of security. Informing strategy. For decision-makers, cybersecurity literacy means understanding the potential risks associated with digital projects and incorporating robust security measures from the ground up. It's about making informed choices that balance innovation with risk management. Enhancing customer trust. Customers today are more aware of cybersecurity issues and their rights to privacy and data protection. Demonstrating not just compliance, but a genuine commitment to cybersecurity can significantly bolster customer trust and loyalty. Navigating the digital landscape with cybersecurity as a compass. The journey of digital transformation is fraught with challenges, among which cyber threats are ever evolving. Phishing, ransomware, data breaches, and other cyber attacks have become more sophisticated, making it imperative for businesses to stay ahead with advanced cybersecurity measures and, importantly, literacy. Here's how Going Digital sees the path forward. Continuous learning. Cybersecurity landscapes change rapidly. Continuous learning and adaptation are key in staying ahead of cybercriminals. Leveraging AI and machine learning can help predict and mitigate emerging threats. Integrating security in digital innovation. Cybersecurity should not be an afterthought, but a foundational element of all digital innovation processes. This integration ensures that new technologies are resilient and trustworthy. Collaboration and sharing knowledge. The fight against cyber threats is a collective effort. Sharing knowledge, insights, and best practices within and across industries can amplify our defense mechanisms. The future is secure with literacy and innovation. At Going Digital, we believe that the future of digital innovation is bright and boundless, but only if we navigate it with cybersecurity literacy and resilience. Is the only way forward, ensuring that our technological advancements are secure, sustainable, and capable of driving positive change in the world. Embrace the journey with Going Digital. As we venture further into the digital age, let's make cybersecurity literacy the cornerstone of our journey. With Going Digital, empower your team, safeguard your innovations, and build a future where technology knows no bounds, and neither do the measures to protect it. Together, we can create a digital ecosystem that is not just innovative, but also inherently secure. Going Digital is your partner in this journey, providing the expertise, tools, and insights needed to thrive in the digital era, securely and confidently.